it's me Casey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a tutorial for the song Can't Help Falling in Love With You by Elvis Presley. This is a very good song for beginners and it's also very fun to play. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be leaving all of the chords down below, so for those of you that are more advanced and if you guys want to look ahead, you guys can go ahead and do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your ukulele and have it in tune. Once you have it in tune, we're going to start to learn the chords. There's only 4 main chords that you need for this song, and they are C, G, A minor, and F, which are all very easy beginner chords, and you basically just switch back and forth from them between the whole song. So the first chord that we're going to be learning is C, and you're going to take your ring finger, that's what I do, on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Next, G, you're going to take your pointer finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. Place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Now for A minor, you're going to just take your ring finger or your middle finger, either one works, and you're going to be placing it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And now for F, you're just going to add your pointer finger and you're going to put it on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. Those are all the chords you need for the whole entire song. Now the strumming pattern, there really is no certain strumming pattern for this song. You can use just one single strum, or I like to use the island strum, which is down, down, up, down, up, which is a very easy one to learn, and you use it for a lot of songs. So the verse is C, G, A minor, F, C, and then G. So I will play a little bit for you. Wise men say, only fools rush in. And that is it. So it just alternates C, G, A minor, F, C, and then G again. Now for the next section, I split it up into 3 different sections. That was the first section. The next section is O for I, and it is F, G, A minor. So, O for I, help. And then falling in love is falling in love. And that is just F, C, G, C. So now I'm going to put the whole song together and you guys can play along. I'm not doing the bridge because I can't even do the bridge myself. But if you guys know, it is a switchback from, I believe, E minor and B7. Yeah, and then you just repeat that, and that is basically the whole entire song. So there you guys go. There is the tutorial. It is, again, very easy to learn, and again, I will leave all of the chords down below with the verses. It is a very easy song. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to become a pineapple. Also, I will leave a playlist down below of all of my ukulele tutorials, as well as in the end cards if you guys want to go check that out for more ukulele covers and tutorials and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!